Hi guys, now I'm showing you my room, and this is the inside of my room, and outside my room you want this, I will show you. Okay, yeah, this is a ring light, is the basic of this. Okay, it is the worth of 5,000. This is my stand for my video shooting. Okay, that's the thing. And my new products unboxing, that's why lot of lot of what is this, lot of uh, garbage is this here, and this is the two books, first and second. Yeah, this is a lot of things, and this is my laptop, and this is my table, and this is my something is my mic and all things. Yeah, that's the thing. Okay, mic and thing, and this is my books, and this and this, and upset is all are my dresses. This is my bed now. Make my bed, and yeah, this is my green screen. This is my washing dress, and go to the then I now under the washing machine, then washing. And this is my old tripod, and this is my mosquito net, and this is the simple tables, and this is my room, right? And that's a very amazing for me, and this is the all area in front of you, and that is the very important for me. If you really want to do something unachievable, please do subscribe and like, and I will show you next video